how to download Summertime Saga on Android. So if you want to download Summertime Saga on Android, then first check your internet connection. Once you've checked, you need to open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Google. So go for the search and search for Summertime Saga APK download. Once you've searched here, you will have summertimesaga.com. Go for that. And once you're here under the website, you need to scroll down and here you will have download option. So tap on download, and once you tap on download, your application will start downloading. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once you tap on download, it will start the install or download process, and after 2 or 5 minutes, your application will be installed and you can play your game. So that's how you can download Summertime Saga on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.